This is a simple guide to installing Warmup insulation boards. This state-of-the-art insulation system greatly improves energy efficiency, saving you money and heating your room up to 10 times faster. Make sure the floor surface is clean, dry and free from any dust. Using a floor trowel, comb a thick bed of flexible tile adhesive onto the floor. As you go, lay the Warmup insulation boards down in place and press firmly. Stagger all the joints in a brick-like fashion. In situations where you already have fixtures in place and for renovations, follow the same process and simply cut and place Warmup insulation boards neatly around any objects. The boards can be easily cut with a utility knife to the exact shape required. When installing Warmup insulation boards onto wooden floors, you should also screw down the boards at 300mm intervals to make sure they are secure. In wet areas, you can use waterproof jointing tape to create a waterproof joint between the boards. If you have any questions at any point, simply call the 24-hour Warmup technical helpline. Our helpful experts are on hand to guide you through every step of your project.